This is the pre-made RT60i fitting going to solar. So here we've got, let me show you this there. We'll touch these. That goes to the positive. Got negative. Goes to the negative. Now let's put this in negative and touch this other third connector on the RT60i's. Nothing. It doesn't go anywhere. But it does go to the positive. All right, so it does go somewhere. It goes to the red wire right here. So somewhere, probably in this connector here, this pin is connected to the positive. So really, what does it do? Here is a different XT60i-F fitting, pre-made, so this is all molded. So let's see what this one does. I'm going to do positive, which should be this one. There you go, positive. Negative, should be that one. But look at this one. This one grounds to the or this one goes to the negative. But it doesn't go to the positive. So who's right here? Again, here's the negative, black. Up here, negative. That third connector, the I, whatever that is, intelligent. So this one goes to the black negative side. So here is a brand new AMASS XT60i-F connector. You see the main and then that center connector. Now you see it's got a connection place, although I'm not sure how you'd solder to that exactly, because these are, you know, it's just sort of a blade type of thing there. But it, you know, it's definitely a separate thing. Here is a pigtail that I just recently bought off of Amazon. You know how that goes. AMASS XT60i-F, and as you see, there's nothing connected to this center pin right here. So those power stations that need this XT60i connector to get full solar charge, or you know, all secondary battery addition, you know, fooling the device to think it's a solar. But this one goes nowhere. So if I was to test this, it would go, you know, nowhere. Let's actually test that. Nothing there, nothing there, and we got, you know, red, which is understandable. That's positive. Let's do up here, negative, but nothing there. And of course, if we poke it into this thing, sorry, so there you go. There's a pigtail that I bought pre-made, and that pin does absolutely nothing. So there you go.